Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Google Pay or Google Wallet using your phone. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Google Wallet app. And then if you did not add any cards yet, you can do that by tapping on Add to Wallet. And you can add payment cards, transport passes, loyalty cards, or even gift cards. And it's very easy to add. You just have to add your card number, your expiry date, name, and CVV code. And when you have your card in your wallet, as you can see for me, this card, you can just open the app and place your phone onto the cash register or the payment machine, and it is going to pay with your phone. It's very easy. One thing that you should know is that you have to turn on the NFC on your phone because this technology uses NFC communication. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.